Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ashley with Adorably Shabby. I'm really glad that you guys stopped by today because I have some fun projects for you guys. I'm going to show you guys a few things that you can do DIY to make your house look festive for the holiday season. So let's go on inside and get started. So the first thing we're going to do today is decorate my island, and I took off my tiered tray, and this time I'm going to use this huge board. I actually got it at Kirkland's. I got it I think 30% off, and it was a really good deal, and I thought this would be something different instead of doing a tiered tray. So the first thing I did was just put my buffalo check runner that I've had for a long time. I added this mini wreath and mini tree, and I set my little teapot onto my wreath, and I thought that was super cute. I've had these candlesticks for a really long time, and those really just added some height and kept those neutral wood tones that I love. I got this cute little follow law sign from Hobby Lobby, and I got the candle, which is my absolute favorite, peppermint mocha from Kirkland's. And then I added these little white candles that I got at the Dollar General store, and that is all I did. It's super easy. It's so simple to just add some things that you've already got at home, and then you can add a little bit of height and add some small inexpensive items, and it really makes such a beautiful touch to your holiday decor. So the next project we're going to do is this little tiered tray that I just made out of a couple of trays I got from Walmart and an old spindle that I had gotten from an old home that took them off of their porch. And I just cut it down and I attached it and made this little tiered tray. And then I'm adding all these cute little Christmas elements that I found at Hobby Lobby. And right now they are half off, so I got them very inexpensive. The only thing here that you see so far that did not come from Hobby Lobby was the little squared sign, and I did get it at a local vendor fair, so I got to add a little touch of handmade from someone else and support their business. Then I just took these garlands that you see here. I've already used a bunch of it anyways in my home, and I'm taking some wire cutters, just cutting off pieces, and then you can just place them in empty places on your tray. This makes it a lot easier so you don't have to add so many pieces of decor into the tray, and it just makes a little bit of the guesswork, you know, it takes that out of it, and it creates some dimension, some nice neutral color, and it's really very elegant and pretty. So this is something I can actually use in the winter after Christmas. I can just take off anything that says Christmas and replace it with a couple of other things, and all the greenery can stay, and it's going to look really beautiful. So as you can see here, I did use 3 types of garland. I used one that is flocked, and I used a pine garland that looks a little more realistic. And then I also added a few sprigs of eucalyptus garland. All of these garlands are things that I've had for a while. I just have been taking them apart and decorating different places in my home. So it's really gone a long way for me, which is great because that means you're really getting a lot of value for your money. And it looks so pretty. It ties everything together in your house, and I just really suggest doing this. It's a way to make your money go a little bit further when you're decorating. DIY I'm showing you today is one that I did with my kids, and they really enjoyed it. We just took a vase and put some fake snow and bottle brush trees. I know this idea is not new. You're gonna see it all over the internet, but I just wanted to suggest it because we had so much fun with it, and we actually made several things like this in the house. This one here, we put a cute little red truck ornament that we bought just for a couple of dollars, and I think it turned out so cute. We also did one in the kitchen, as you can see here, and I used a glass jar that I got from Walmart, and it was very inexpensive, so you might want to check there if you don't already have a vase. But my favorite is this super cute jar ornament that we got from Joann, and I actually bought several so that we could each do one, and they were so much fun to do, and they actually look adorable on my tree. So I love this one. Today. I hope you guys were able to get some inspiration to do some DIY decor for your home just like we did. We had so much fun doing these projects, and I can't wait to do the next video for you guys. Thank you guys for stopping by, and please don't forget to like and subscribe and leave me a comment so that we can chat. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.